Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can create toddler of any image. We are going to use here MidJourney. Okay, so we just need to type in MidJourney here, open the MidJourney and open the midjourney.com, and you need to join the Discord server of MidJourney. Okay, so you can see here join the beta, so just click on this. You will redirect to the Discord, accept invite. So in the left side you will find that server here. If you will not find your server here, so you just need to click on the add server and you need to click on the join a server, don't have an invite link, and you just need to search here MidJourney like this. Okay, and then you will find some MidJourney, this one, as you can see here, this one. So just click on this MidJourney and you need to add this. So you will find that MidJourney server in the left side like this. So now click on this MidJourney, and as you can see here in the left side you will find here a lot of groups. So I will select the 70. Now I need to upload one image here. Okay, so you can upload any image. So I'm going to upload my own image here. So what I will do, I will just select the plus icon, upload file. Okay, and I'm going to use here this one image. Okay, and select any image and just click on open. So as you can see that image is uploading, so just enter. Okay, so as you can see this image is uploading, wait some seconds. So as you can see that image is uploaded, right, this one. Now what we need to do, we need to click on this image, right click on this image and open image in new tab. Now we need to just select the image path, remove that width and height, and just select till.jpg or .png, okay, whatever your extension of your image. Just copy this, go to the Discord server and just write here /image in, and in the prompt you have to write, you need to paste, you need to control V or command V your image URL. Okay, and then you just need to type here toddler like this one, then kid, then comma, then colorful, and you can say 8K and -v4. Okay, and then enter and wait some seconds. It will take some seconds to generate your output. So as you can see this one is generated like this. So I like the second one. Okay, so I will just select the U version. Okay, and wait some seconds. So as you can see here this image is generated. Okay, so you can try a lot of images. You can try with your image, you can try with someone else image. Okay, so this is the amazing tool where you can create the image like this one image to this one that created. Okay, so if you have any doubt on this, so just comment on the video. I'll try my best to solve your problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day, be safe, bye bye.